Sage Country Herbs mini course, now on herbalbloom.org. Welcome to the Sage Country Herbs free mini course. This engaging video series offers a hands-on introduction to the world of herbalism, presented by Sage Country Herbs experienced herbalist Shanna Grover. Her course is designed for beginners and enthusiasts alike, providing valuable insights into the natural world of herbs and their applications. Here's the course overview. Video 1, Sage Scrub Plant Walk. Join Shanna on a captivating plant walk through the sage scrub habitat. In this video, you'll learn to identify various medicinal plants, understand their uses, and appreciate the rich biodiversity of this unique ecosystem. This immersive experience will deepen your connection to nature and expand your knowledge of native flora. Video 2, Fire Cider Making Workshop. Discover the art of crafting fire cider, a potent herbal tonic renowned for its immune-boosting properties. This workshop guides you through each step of the process, from selecting ingredients to preparing your own batch. You'll gain practical skills in herbal medicine making and learn how to incorporate this powerful remedy into your daily wellness routine. Video 3, Magnesium, the quality of the mineral. Explore the essential mineral magnesium and its critical role in maintaining health. This video delves into the benefits of magnesium, sources of this vital nutrient, and how to ensure adequate intake. By the end of this session, you'll understand the importance of magnesium and how to incorporate it into your diet for optimal health. We are thrilled to have you join us on this journey into the world of herbs, and we hope you enjoy this free mini course. Click the link in the description to get started now.